I'm in love with you. But this ain't the honeymoon. We're past the infatuation phase. We're right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehaved and you made your mistakes, and we both still got room left to grow.
Right now. What is a baby gonna do?
And though love sometimes hurts, I still put you first, and we'll make this thing work. But I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow. This ain't a movie, no fairy tale conclusion, y'all. It gets more confusing every day. Sometimes it's heaven sent, then we head back to hell again. We kiss, then we make up on the way. I hang up, you call, we rise and we fall, and we feel like just walking away. As on advances, we take second chances. Though it's not a fantasy, I still want you to stay. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, this time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, this time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Maybe we'll live and learn. Maybe we'll crash and burn. Maybe you'll stay. Maybe you'll leave. Maybe you'll return. Maybe another fight. Maybe we won't survive. But maybe we'll grow. We never know. Baby, you and I, we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. Yeah. Hey, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Hey, we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Slow. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow.
Brown skin, you know I love your brown skin. I can't tell where yours begins. I can't tell where mine is. Brown skin, up against my brown skin. So now and then, You make me wanna Hershey's kiss your licorice. Every time I see your lips, it makes me think of honeycomb chocolate. Your kisses are worth more than gold to me. I'll be your only joy, you'll be my sugar daddy. Brown skin, you know I love your brown skin. I can't tell you I can't tell brown skin up against my brown skin. Need some every now and then. Every time you come around, something magnetic pulls me and I can't get out. Disoriented, I can't tell my up from down. All I know is that I wanna lay you down. Every time I lay you in, abracadabra magic happens as we swing. Higher and higher, finally we reach heaven. Come back to earth, then we do it all again, yeah. Brown skin, you know I love your brown skin. I can't tell where yours begins. I can't tell where mine is. Brown skin up against my brown skin. Need some every now and then. Skin so brown, lips so round, baby, how can I be down? Beautiful, my heart to me, you make me feel like a queen. Tell me what's that